Good day, boys and girls. Welcome back to English lesson with Madam Wu. Today is our fifth lesson of Unit 4, Learning World. The aim of today's lesson is ask people about their routines and what they are doing now. For today's lesson, we will start off our lesson by watching a video on present continuous and present simple. Then we are going to do some recalling on the rules of present continuous and construct questions using present continuous. After that, recall the rules of present simple, and finally complete sentences based on the photos using present simple or present continuous. Now, let's watch a video.
He usually listens to reggae. Today, he's listening to heavy rock. She often listens to hip-hop music. Today, she's listening to heavy rock. He usually listens to reggae. Today, he's listening to heavy rock. She often listens to hip-hop music. Today, she's listening to heavy rock.
From the video, we know that we are going to learn present continuous and present simple. Now, let us look at present continuous first. We use present continuous to talk about thing or action happening now. Kita guna present continuous untuk bercakap pasal sesuatu perkara ataupun benda yang berlaku sekarang. So, as we have learned in our previous lesson, about present continuous affirmative, these are the structure where we can use to construct sentences. So first of all, we have to start our sentence by introducing the subject of the sentence, then followed by the verb be and verb with ing, and finally time. For singular subjects such as he, she, and it, we have to use is and followed by verb with ing. For example, he is eating sandwich now. She is studying at the moment. It is moving now. So for I, so it must be followed by am. For example, I am jumping now. And for you, we, and they, the verb be should be used is are. For example, we are chatting at the moment. We are running in the park today. They are coloring the picture now. This is the structure for affirmative sentence in present continuous. How about constructing questions with yes or no answer? We have to start with verb be, followed by subjects, followed by verb with ing, and finally we have the time expression. So for example, is he jumping now? Is she playing video game today? Is it moving at the moment? Am I reading now? Are you cycling at the park today? Are we eating noodles now? Are they panting at the moment? So, the time expression now, at the moment, today are the clues or the keywords which indicate present continuous should be used. Okay, perkataan now, at the moment, dan today merupakan kata kunci untuk kita tahu tenses mana yang sesuai untuk digunakan semasa membina ayat. Okay, kalau kita nampak now, at the moment dan today, automatically kita perlu tahu. Okay, present continuous tense mesti diguna pakai semasa kita buat ayat. Okay, now we can use WH question words to ask sentence in present continuous. So, what's the format? So, we have to start the question with WH question words, followed by verb be, followed by subjects, and verb with ing, and finally time. For example, the question words such as what, where, why, who, when. Okay, the verb be is for singular subjects such as he, she, and it. And is used for I only. Are is for you, we, and they. For example, what is he eating today? Apakah yang dia makan pada hari ini? What is he doing now? Apakah yang dia buat sekarang? Where am I going today? Mana saya pergi hari ini? Okay, why are you crying today? Kenapa kamu menangis hari ini? Who are we meeting now? Siapakah yang kita mau jumpa sekarang? When are they going to the mall today? Bilakah mereka pergi ke mall hari ini? Alright, so now let's ask questions in present continuous. So look at the photo, the picture here. And the words provided are probing you to ask questions in present continuous. So bear in mind, present continuous tense, we have to add verb be and verb with ing. So we can start the question by what? Yes. So what is the verb be should be used? Okay, yes, is, because we have only one person here. What is the boy do? Or what is the boy doing? Exactly, what is the boy doing? So how to answer this question? Okay, the boy is playing badminton, or you can say he is playing badminton. Alright, next. Why the baby crying? Okay, so we have to add the verb be in front of the subject, which is the baby. So why is R-O-M? Yes, is, because the baby refers to one person. Okay, only one person here, the baby. Why is the baby crying, or why is the baby crying? Yes, why is the baby crying? Okay, when we have the verb be here, the verb must have ing. Why is he crying? Maybe because he is hungry. So we can answer this question like this. This is because he is hungry. Alright? So let's look at this question. The boy watched TV. So now we don't have WH question words here. So automatically we know that this is a yes or no questions. Okay? Sekarang tak ada perkataan WH di sini. Okay, so kita tahu ayat ini merupakan ayat soalan yang perlu kita jawab yes atau no. So in that case, we have to start our sentence with verb be. Okay, so which verb be should we use? Is, are, or am? Yes, exactly, is. Because the boy, we can replace the boy with the subject pronouns, which is he, right? And when we use he as the subject, so the verb be should be used is. Is the boy watching TV? Yes or no? Yes, he is. So now we have WH question word. What? The penguins doing. So how many penguins are here? Okay, 2. So the verb be should be used is are. Yes, exactly. So what are the penguins doing? Okay, what are they doing? Yes, they are swimming. Very good. Okay, next. The children on the boat wear a uniform. Okay, we don't have WH question words here now. So this is exactly a yes or no question. So what verb be should we use? Is or are. How many people are there in the picture? There are many children, right? So, are the children on the boat wearing a uniform? Are they wearing uniform? No, they aren't. Exactly. Okay, next. Where the boy go? So, the answer will be, where is the boy going? So, where is he going? He's going to the park. Okay, so now you know how to construct sentences in present continuous. Now, let us move on to the next focus of today's lesson, which is present simple. We use present simple to talk about routine or repeated actions. Kita guna present simple untuk bercakap pasal tabiat seharian ataupun rutin seharian. Okay? So, singular. For singular subject, the verb that followed must have s, es, or ies. Okay. So for the plural subject, the verb must be in the base form. It means the verb should not have s, no es, no ies. Okay. So, for example, to construct present simple sentences, okay, the format is as this. Okay, subjects plus verb plus idea and finally the time expression. For example, he plays football every evening. So when we look at the word every here, it means it is a routine. Okay, perkataan every ini menggambarkan perkara yang dilakukan merupakan sesuatu rutin. Okay, setiap pagi ke, setiap petang ke, setiap hari. Okay, so when we have the word every in the sentence, so automatically we know present simple tense should be used. Okay. Next. She runs at the park every Sunday. Okay. Next. Okay, so why do we have S for the verb play and run? Kenapa kita ada S dekat play dan run? Sebab he dengan she merupakan singular subject. One person come as. Remember, one person comes as. Alright? Next, we wash the clothes every day or we wash the clothes daily. Okay, D-A-I-L-Y, daily, setiap hari. Okay, kita boleh guna every day ataupun daily. Okay, so every week, weekly. Every month, monthly. Every year, yearly. Okay, they have the same meaning. Okay, so kenapa wash ini tak ada S? Sebab we merupakan plural subject. Okay, kita lebih dari seorang. Jadi kata kerja tak boleh ada imbuhan. And this is the sentence structure that we can use to construct present simple, the second structure. Okay. Subjects followed by a verb of frequency followed by verb and idea. Okay. So when we look at the adverb of frequency such as always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, never, automatically we should know present simple should be used. Kalau kita tengok perkataan seperti always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, never, okay, automatically kita tahu present simple mesti digunakan. Okay, so for example, he always plays football with his friend. Okay, always here menunjukkan rutin. Benda yang akan kamu buat setiap hari kan? Okay, yang kamu selalu buat. Okay, next. She sometimes washes her clothes. It never runs at the park. They usually wash the clothes in the evening. Okay? So now, let's complete the sentences with present simple or present continuous. So for present simple, we have the clues such as every, and the adverb of frequency such as usually, sometimes, okay, often, never, okay. So for present continuous, the keywords are now, at the moment, and today. Now let's look at the photo and the sentences. Okay, Charlotte is a music student. She every day, but at the moment, she, okay, we have to complete the sentences by writing the verb in either present simple or present continuous. Okay, let us look at the keyword in blue. Okay. Every day and at the moment. So now you should be able to complete the sentences with the correct tenses, right? So Charlotte is a music student. She practices or is practicing every day. Exactly. She practices every day. But at the moment, she exactly is relaxing. Next, Pat is a footballer. He football 5 days a week, but today he basketball. Okay, so we have to complete the sentences with present continuous or present simple for the verb play. Okay, so look at the clue and identify which tenses should be used. Okay, Pat is a footballer. He plays or is playing football 5 days a week. Exactly, plays. Because 5 days a week here indicates that it is a routine. Okay, but today he is playing basketball. Okay, today, hari ini dia sedang bermain basketball. Bola keranjang. Melanie in Spanish with a tourist now, but she usually speak English. Okay, Melanie is chatting or Melanie chats. Exactly, is chatting because the clue here is now. Okay, so when we have now, we have to use present continuous. So the answer is chatting. But she usually. So when we have the adverb of frequency usually, we have to use present simple. Exactly. But she speaks English. Okay, so this lesson is very tough and compact. So you have to copy down the notes and read the notes before you complete your exercise that has been given. Alright? So, fighting! With that, I would like to end our lesson of today. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.